I'm going to Ibiza tomorrow. That's what I can show you. I've got Nia, Adventures Nia. She's quite lovely how she hasn't got the rollover cab. She's quite a nice little engine. And what I'm here to show you. This one, an interesting knock that might be going on one of their suitcases. This is a Andor, how you pronounce that? Andor. Combination padlock. No, suitcase padlock. It's got a plastic shell. Interestingly, it's got a square shackle, unlike most locks. Unlike most suitcase padlocks, they have round shackles. Anyway, here are the keys for it. They kind of look a bit like car keys as well, don't they? Especially with that. And got the Andor logo on it. Stick the key in. Do demonstration. I don't think you'll be able to see the lock and never in there because it's too small. We turn the key 360. Turn it 180 to unlock the padlock. So yeah, it's very stiff compared to most other suitcase locks. This one's not too bad. Right, I was thinking I'll show you two. Different design. This one's got a round shackle. It's something interesting. Here's the keys for it. This is a Carlton suitcase padlock. And funny enough, the key actually works. It did. This key will actually work, but the Andor key will work in the Carlton, which is really weird. This one's got a round shackle. It's quite a bit smaller than the Andor. Yeah. Look at now. Stick the key in. Here's the key. Very different design to the Andor. Using the same, very similar key patterns. There we are. It's got a plastic shell, it's probably metal underneath. So yeah, there's the back of it. There's the front of it maybe. Back. There's a lot of similarities, they're made out of the same materials. So yeah, anyway, that'll be. There's the box there. Which has nickel back in the box, but these ones are my mum's, so I shouldn't leave missing these. I'm mostly on. I'll put those back. Put this in mine back. I'll put the rest of mine back. Thanks for watching and bye for now.